Alex has $235 more than Jesse. After Alex spends $60 on a book, he has 2 times more money than Jesse. How much money does Jesse have? To solve this question, we're going to need to make 2 different equations. One using this information. Alex has, or the money Alex has is equal to, $235 more than Jesse. More is a word in math that means to add. So he has $235 more than Jesse. Then our second equation uses this information. After Alex spends $60 on a book, Alex spends $60. He has 2 times more money than Jesse. Again, that word has means equals 2 times more than Jesse. So 2 times the money Jesse has, or 2J. And now what we can do, we have 2 equations that have 2 different variables in them, and so they cannot be solved. However, we do have one equation that has A isolated to one side, which means J plus 235 is equal to A, and thus we can substitute it in for A in our second equation. So let's do that. Instead of A, we will rewrite it as J plus 235 minus 60 equals 2J. And now we have an equation that has one type of variable throughout, meaning we can isolate it and solve for its value. Let's start by simplifying this. 235 minus 60 would give us 5. We'd have to borrow. 13 minus 6 is 7. 1 minus nothing is 1. So we have J plus 175 is equal to 2J. Now, if it exists in math, there's always one of them. This is the same as 1J, and it is positive. So the opposite of that, if we want to move it to the other side, is to subtract 1J from both sides. These cancel, leaving us with 175 equals 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 175 is equal to J, making D our correct answer.